Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these beautiful half and half braids. At the back, we have some small boho knotless braids, and the front are cornrows slash feeders slash feed-ins, whatever you want to call them. So keep watching. So I started out with the middle part so that I can get equal parts or equal braids on both sides. Then I made a part from the center of her head towards the ears. We're going to be using Freetress Deep Bulk Human Hair in the color 1B, and the length is 18 inches. This is what the hair looks like outside of the pack. I went ahead and completed the first 3 rows of braids, adding 1 to 3 pieces of curly human hair to each braid. And I will be curling the ends of the braids with some flexi rods afterwards, so I simply tie a small knot at the end of the braid. Now I'm just showing you how the braids are coming along, looking so full and fluffy with nice clean parts. So as I got to the top, I started adding the curly pieces almost immediately after starting the knotless braid, and also adding roughly 5 to 6 pieces of curly hair per braid. What you see me doing here is just ensuring that all of my braids are the same length. I'm comparing them side by side so I'll know when to end that braid and tie a knot. I'm now going to check the length of the braids again, and this time they're about the same length, so I go ahead and tie that knot at the end of the braid. Finally, I'm on my last knotless braid, and I'm going to split my section into 3 even pieces or parts. Do half of a braid before adding my first piece of braid in here. I then do a complete braid before adding my first piece of curly hair. Then do a complete braid again. I braid down a few inches, then add another piece of curly hair. And I continue this pattern until I end that braid. I'm just ensuring that my middle part is perfect before adding any braiding gel, and I'm going to be doing some simple feed-in braids with a slight curve. Nothing too fancy, just something simple. I also added some small or mini braids in between the regular size braids just to spice things up a little bit. We're all finished and everything looks lovely. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in my next video. Bye.